if you were looking for a cornerstone of CFX, the Academy would be it. The Academy is a product. It's a real product, although it's digital. It's a product that one acquires as soon as they start participating with CFX. Now, the Academy is broken into 3 different series: the Elemental Series, the Advanced Professional Series, and the Supreme Series. And the reason for all the detail going into the Academy is that the plan from the very beginning for CFX was for this to be a full service Forex platform. Now, many of you are going to be very happy to allow automated EAs to do all of the heavy lifting for you. You simply participate and allow trading results to accumulate over the course of the days and the weeks and the months that you're participating without you having to be engaged in the process at all. But we also know that there are many of you that are very interested in being engaged in that process. And of course, you're going to have to learn significant amounts about the Forex market before you can participate. And then, of course, we know that there are some of you that are actually interested in taking your CFX and Forex expertise all the way to the limit and giving you the capacity to trade completely on your own, if that's something that you desire. So the Academy is meant to help facilitate all 3 of those groups to operate successfully within CFX. Now, the way the average person accesses the Academy is through what we refer to as a trading pack. And any active member that's in this presentation right now owns a trading pack. They purchased that trading pack, and the denominations or the cost of that trading pack are in the numbers that you see in the icons, which are the circles towards the center of the screen. So, for example, the very first step of this trading pack ladder, we refer to this is, because you can climb this ladder from the first access point of the trading pack all the way through to the very end. These are all in US dollars. So $300 US, $500 US, $1,000 US, etc. Now, next to each one of those icons, there's 3 lines of text: Academy Pack, Trade Pool Deposit, and Leadership Program. So we'll define each one of those and really help you understand how this platform's functioning. First of all, first line, Academy Pack. You'll notice there's a number that's different for each trade package after the words Academy Pack. That number represents 30% of the value of the trade pack. So, for example, if you're looking at the bottom of your screen, the orange section, which is the $3,000 trading pack, well, the Academy pack makes up 30% of that. 30% of $3,000 is $900. Now, the second line of text, Trade Pool Deposit, is the balance remaining. So if you started with the $3,000 purchase and $900 of that $3,000 was allocated to a product sale, the remaining $2,100, which gives you a $3,000 total, well, that is going to go into trading activity and ultimately be traded on your behalf. The last line, Leadership Program, you'll notice as we move through this ladder, the Leadership Program PV, that represents personal volume, well, that's 50% of the value of any trading pack. Look at a $500 trading pack, for example. 30% of $500 is $150 for the Academy. The remaining $350 is a trade pool deposit, and the Leadership Program points from a $500 trade pack are 250 points. Okay, so as we move into the next series, remember the Academy was broken into 3 series. The Elemental Series is the first 5 steps up the trading pack ladder. The next 5 steps are part of the Advanced Series. So you can see mathematically exactly the same thing is taking place. 30% of the value of the trade pack for the Academy, the remaining 70% of the value of the trade pack for the trade pool deposit, and Leadership Program points being 50% of the value of the trade package. The last 5 steps are the Supreme Series. You can see 30K, 40, 50, 70, and $100,000. Now, again, you have the opportunity by design to climb your way through this trading pack from any starting position. You can start at $300, you can start in the middle, or you could start towards the end if you wanted to. That's entirely up to you and based on your comfort level. What you'll need to recall, of course, is, or make note of and remember, is that you're going to be able to climb your way through this trade pack ladder using the benefits of participating in this platform as you go. And what I would like to do now is just take a moment for those of you who are guests or very new members to hear from existing members so that you can get other validation of the success that they're experiencing in climbing through the trading pack ladder. So members, if you don't mind, go hit the chat right now and let our guests and new members know where you started on the trading pack ladder. and where you are today and how much time has transpired so that new members and guests can get a sense of what's possible in climbing through this trading pack ladder.